Grab a cup of tea and get comfortable. We're back in our cozy little studio again, ready for another English chat that feels more like a good talk between friends.
And hopefully, you've already finished your grocery shopping because today's topic might make you want to run straight to the supermarket.
Oh, absolutely. I already feel like I can smell the bread aisle just thinking about it. We're talking about supermarkets and, of course, the modern marvel of self-checkouts.
You mean those machines that either make you feel like a futuristic genius or a complete disaster in public?
Exactly. One minute you're scanning like a pro, the next you're being told, unexpected item in the bagging area. And you're standing there like, I just put down a banana. What do you want from me?
They make you feel like you've triggered a security alert by buying milk.
I swear, sometimes I expect flashing lights and someone running over to inspect my yogurt.
Oh, yes, the yogurt inspection department. But honestly, I kind of like self checkouts. They're quick and you can skip the line when you just want to grab a sandwich or something small.
That's true. Sometimes I just want to get in and out without having to explain my choices to a cashier. Like, yes, I'm buying 3 types of ice cream. It's research.
Oh, definitely. Ice cream research is a very noble cause.
But there's something about the old school checkout, you know? When a real person smiles at you, asks how your day's going, maybe even makes a little joke about your shopping.
Yeah, it feels more human. To be honest, I think people underestimate how nice that small connection can be.
True. Sometimes that 2 minute chat at the register is the only friendly conversation someone has all day.
Especially for older people or those who live alone. A quick, how are you today, can make a huge difference.
Yeah. We talk so much about technology and convenience, but sometimes the heart just needs a little bit of human kindness.
That's beautifully said. Though I have to admit, when the line is super long, I do love that little screen saying, scan your first item. It feels like freedom.
Freedom and fear combined. Because if you make one wrong move, the machine will yell at you.
Exactly, it's like a strict teacher.
Unexpected student in the classroom area.
You'd make a great self checkout voice, actually.
Oh, thank you. Please place your item in the bagging area or face the consequences.
See, terrifying and charming at the same time.
The perfect balance. But seriously, supermarkets are fascinating. They say a lot about how people live.
Yeah, it's almost like a small mirror of society. Everything from our habits to our hopes is there on the shelves.
You're right. Like when I go shopping, I can tell what kind of week I'm having just by what's in my basket.
Oh, really? How so?
Well, if it's full of salad, lentils, and herbal tea, that means I'm being responsible. But if it's instant noodles, cookies, and chocolate, that's a life's hard, comfort me kind of week.
I think we've all had that comfort me week. For me, it's when I buy 5 kinds of cheese.
5 kinds? That's impressive. What's your favorite?
The free samples.
Oh, classic.
I'm serious. You walk past the cheese section and suddenly someone offers you a tiny cube with a toothpick. That's the highlight of the trip.
That's so true. I once did a whole round in a supermarket just following the sample stands. It was like a tiny lunch.
That's the smartest kind of lunch and on the house.
Exactly. But sometimes supermarkets are like little adventures. You go in for one thing and end up with 20.
That's the supermarket law. The more you try to be quick, the more your cart fills itself.
Totally. And the way they design the store, it's psychological warfare.
How so?
Well, they always place the essentials, like milk or bread, at the back. So you have to walk through the whole store, see all the shiny things, and suddenly you're like, maybe I do need this giant candle shaped like a pineapple.
Yeah, and the music. Have you noticed? It's always slow, calm music to make you walk slower.
Oh, yes. It's like, take your time, look around, spend a little more.
Supermarket hypnosis.
Exactly. And somehow I always fall for it.
We all do. I once went in for toothpaste and came out with toothpaste, a blender, and a plant I didn't even know how to take care of.
That's so relatable. It's like the aisles whisper to you, you deserve it.
And I believed them every time.
You know, the funny thing is, I actually enjoy walking around supermarkets when I travel.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because you can tell so much about a country from what's in its supermarkets, what people eat, how things are packaged, even what smells you notice.
That's a really interesting point. It's like cultural anthropology with shopping carts.
Exactly. Like in Japan, everything is so neat, quiet, respectful. In Italy, there's loud chatter and colorful packaging. And in the UK, there's this polite queue at every checkout, even self-checkout.
Of course, the British way. Always a queue, even when it's just machines.
They'll queue to press the start button.
That's true respect for order.
Meanwhile, in Southern Europe, it's a friendly chaos. People talking, helping each other, even cutting in line with a smile.
And somehow it still works.
Yeah, because shopping isn't just about buying things, it's about rhythm, community, a bit of daily theater.
Nicely put. You know, I think language learners could practice English just by going to supermarkets.
Oh?
Yeah, you can learn real, everyday expressions, how to ask for assistance, how to compare prices, or how to say, "Excuse me, where can I find the soy sauce?"
That's true. And you can practice small talk with the cashier, even something simple like busy day today or I love this brand.
Exactly. Real English, not textbook phrases.
So, our listeners, if you want to improve your English, maybe your next lesson is in the supermarket.
That's right, the classroom of groceries.
And if you enjoy natural English conversations like this, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps us keep creating for you.
Yeah, and maybe next time we'll do a live supermarket recording.
Oh no, that would be chaos. Imagine me talking to a microphone while the self-checkout screams at me.
That might actually go viral.
Maybe. But let's talk about something that always happens. Product search. You know that feeling when you can't find something, but you don't want to ask anyone?
Yes, so you pretend to be just browsing, like, oh, I'm just admiring this shelf of canned beans.
Exactly. And you start walking in circles around this same aisle, hoping the item magically appears.
The universal supermarket dance.
And when you finally find an employee, they're like angels descending from heaven.
Chuckles. Excuse me, could you tell me where the sesame oil is? And they just point, like, aisle 6. Salvation.
Yes, and you feel this deep gratitude like, thank you, kind stranger, you have saved my dinner.
You know, the courage it takes sometimes just to ask that question, it's funny, but it's true.
Yeah, because it's not just in supermarkets. People often hesitate to ask for help even when they need it.
That's right, but asking for help doesn't make you weak. It just saves time.
Exactly. And sometimes the other person feels good for being helpful. So it's a win-win.
Totally. But you know what really tests patience? When something's out of stock.
Oh no, don't remind me. You go there dreaming of one specific thing and it's gone. Empty shelf. Disaster!
The disappointment is real, especially when you've built your entire meal plan around that one item.
My dinner dreams. Crushed.
And then you start improvising, thinking, okay, maybe I can replace mozzarella with yogurt?
Oh no, please don't do that.
I speak from experience.
Remind me never to eat at your place. But yes, product search can be a challenge, especially in big supermarkets where everything's reorganized every few months.
Why do they do that? It's like a game of hide and seek.
Maybe they want us to discover new things while searching for the old ones.
Yeah. Oh, I can't find pasta, but look, garden tools.
Exactly. It's a strategy. Make customers wander, and maybe they'll end up with something extra.
Smart business, really.
Evil, but smart.
True. Though sometimes it's nice just to explore. No rush, no list, just walking around and seeing what catches your eye.
Yeah, I do that sometimes, especially when I'm tired. It's kind of meditative. Slow music, soft lights, colorful fruits.
It's like modern meditation with shopping carts.
Exactly. You just float through the aisles, half thinking, half dreaming.
Until the self-checkout wakes you up again. Please place the item in the bagging area.
Yes, instant reality check.
You know, there's something oddly poetic about all this. A supermarket is such a small thing, but it holds so many stories.
It really does. Every person there is living a little moment, planning, choosing, hoping.
Yeah, it's one of those ordinary places where life quietly happens.
That's beautiful. And we haven't even started talking about returns and discounts yet.
That's for the next round, I think.
Deal. So, part 2, we dive into the art of returns, the mystery of discounts, and the psychology of 2 for 1.
And maybe a few confessions about our own shopping sins?
Oh, there'll be plenty.
Then let's wrap part 1 here, and we'll see you in part 2 of our supermarket adventure.
If you're enjoying this cozy English talk, stay tuned. We're just getting started.
See you in a moment.